Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, you guys, please go and check out Irresistible Me. If you have not checked out this video, I will have this video linked in my description box below, and I will also have all of Irresistible Me information in my description box below as well. They do have synthetic wigs as well as real human hair wigs and accessories if needed. So definitely, like I said, check out Irresistible Me, you guys. You will not be disappointed.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Hey y'all, so right now babe and I, we are inside of the store, Acre Station, you guys, and we are grocery shopping, right husband? Yeah. Yes baby. So that's what we're doing, you guys. Just wanted to take you guys with us because it's been forever since I actually took you guys grocery shopping with us, or just in picking up my camera in general, y'all. Excuse my hair because it was definitely blowing outside, y'all, and it's raining, so it's kind of a mess. But wanted to come and say hey, hope you guys having a great day. And yeah, let's go back into shopping. Oh, excuse my little bump, y'all. Yeah. was craving a pickle last night, and I got one for me and one for babe, so. On my lips, y'all. I'm just so sick of this work on my lips, so it's irritating. But it's cool. Yeah, I comb my hair. My hair like a wild woman, y'all. But today is a rainy day, so you're gonna have to excuse it, okay? Because it's actually really pretty. It's just a little bit in shambles everywhere. But anyway, y'all, so I ate bad pickle. He did not want his pickle, y'all. He actually ate this and was like, ew. So I tore it up for him. Y'all, it's so good. So I got my other one and I ate his. So that was a plus for me because I got to get 2 pickles. Y'all, so our groceries end up coming to 140 something, 160 something. Y'all, I love Acre Station. They're the best. I don't know where you can go get all those meats for $100 and something, because that right there, all the stuff that we got probably would have been easily $300, y'all. So we live in Greenville, North Carolina. Check out Acre Station, y'all, because, well, they're not in Greenville. I don't know why I said Greenville. If you live in the Washington area, Western Salem, I think that's what it is, North Carolina. Check them out. They're the best, y'all, when it comes down to getting meats. Better than the place in Greenville, North Carolina, called, I think, Borham. They suck. I hate their meats, y'all. Yeah. I'm just crazy because, like, literally, some places turn me off. That was a place that turned me off. So, yeah, we love them. Go get you one. Go get you some meats. Save some coins, because we love saving coins. So, yeah. Y'all, so I end up pulling my hair up to a ponytail because, baby, my hair was doing the most. I'm pretty sure you guys saw when I was in the store and when I was just in the car. But I ended up getting me one of those blackened chicken sandwiches, you guys, from Popeyes. Yeah, I don't like it. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. I don't like it. It wasn't good to me. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what it looked like. Let me go get it. All right, y'all, so this is what the chicken looked like. Yeah, I took it out of the bread, and it did come with pickles and some type of spicy sauce. So I did get the spicy one. I don't like it. Babe said it was extra spicy, so he liked it a little bit, but I do not like it, y'all. I just can't eat this. And I took the bread off. I do that to all my chicken sandwiches, y'all. But my favorite chicken sandwich is from, what is it? Chick-fil-A, duh. Can't even thank y'all, but I miss y'all so much. I miss talking to my camera. I miss pulling my camera out like, hey y'all, Red family, what are you guys up to? I miss y'all so much, y'all. But your girl, I've been sick, I've been tired. This baby has been kicking my butt, you guys. I haven't even went to the doctor to go get my glucose test done, which I was supposed to done that 2 weeks back. So I'm gonna go. Today is what? Tuesday, so I think I'm gonna end up going probably Thursday because I have to be up Thursday. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I miss you guys so much. I've been watching all of you guys' videos and I have been enjoying them, but I'm not gonna lie and say that I've been commenting, but I have been leaving likes and things like that. I haven't been sharing anything, but y'all, I love y'all and I appreciate you guys, the ones that's been still watching my videos, checking in with me and stuff like that. But I just wanted to come and tell you guys that, whatever, a little chit chat for your girl. But y'all, I got some bubble slides. They're so cute. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Here's my bubble slides. They're so cute. So I got some charms for my bubble slides, but I'll put that in another day, another time. But yeah, I just wanted to come back and talk to y'all, and I love y'all. I miss y'all so much. I've been posting shorts though. I'm gonna keep posting shorts because y'all really love my shorts. So I'm gonna keep posting shorts, quick content, and y'all love it. So yeah, let me know some other things that I can post for shorts that you guys may want to see, and I will post it for you guys. And yeah, other content you may want to see, y'all, because your girl been slacking. And I know I'm supposed to do my Q&A for you guys, so if you guys have any questions that you didn't put in my last video that I told you guys to ask me some questions, then ask me in this video, and then I will hopefully go ahead and get that Q&A out to you guys. But yeah, I'm a mom of 10. If you do not know, your girl pregnant with baby number 10. Pregnant with baby number 10, y'all. Pregnant lady. Yeah. So ask away.